Gainsville Home Furnishings Limited was born in Melbourne, Australia in 1964. Factory located in Foshan City, China. Company occupies an area of 40,000 square meters. Our company has 200 employees. Production lines include bed workshop, sofa workshop, mattress workshop, wood workshop, stitching workshop, hardware workshop. We have our own international RD team. Cooperate with our own headquarter to develop new designs together. At the beginning of the brand, it was based on perfect design, exclusive quality, professional template master and furniture designer, able to control every detail and meet international production. Every of our products will be checked, tested, and pre-assembled before packing to ensure perfection when they arrive to our customers. We have 4 different showrooms: modern sofa showroom, modern bed showroom, functional furniture showroom, luxury furniture showroom. Total area 8,000 square meters. You can find any furniture items here. We have a strong and experienced export sales and after-sales service team. Support one-stop customized services. We already export to more than 80 countries. We warmly welcome you to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.